Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs jangka Sarkar Jela mentaka sengi ke arpusan terik ukala lengkot arhajar arpulai kala pelong ya ke program ban ai kublai kitbok kitruang ya ki kunho Ialehkai jangka Jela ban lej asimenta ka Khelo India Youth Games ka banlong naduk ka live ho terik ukala lengkot haduk ka khatwei terik urumpang hapo nongba Bhopal Madhya Pradesh.
My name is Ialehkai and I am from Judo.
My name is Jenison Christian. I am a manager in shooting.
My name is Grace Makri and I am a 400 meter runner.
My name is Baskar Mangjwa. I am footballer.
My name is Thei Bangyang. My discipline is football to represent the state and to play in the Khelo India Youth Games. Thank you.
Hakani kasengi lawan mapinsingai lam da Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, IAS, Principal Secretary Fisheries, Water Resources, Power Food Civil Supplies, Kum Ukongsan, Uba John F. Karshiyeng, Working President Meghalaya State Olympics Association, Kum Usambut Kongsan, But Vibhor Agarwal, Director Sports and Youth Affairs. Haduk kenai tali ki sports discipline ki ban leja shimenta shakani kalampung Ialehkai hakaba sau pulai ngut ki nong Ialehkai ki bakan thop lang ya khat sa ngut ki officials but ki chef de mission haka discipline jaka football, boys under 18, archery, judo, swimming, yoga, tennis, archery, shooting, canoeing but kayaking.
I can just say very briefly that it's a very huge opportunity as well as a very huge honor for all of us that such a good contingent is going to Khelo India Games. We have a very good team, a very promising team. Sports has been one of the very biggest stronghold of Meghalaya, right? And it's time to prove it. It's time to prove that Meghalaya as a state, we have the mettle to prove our worth across the nation, and not just the nation, at international level also. And we have various surveys, various events have happened to prove it. I know that you will do very, very great. I wish you all the best.
I was also like a small young boy like you as an athlete. Used to participate in 100, 200, 400 and broad jump. From Kerala, it's a very, very highly competitive state in sports. Trust me, it is the dedication and it is the focused practice and discipline you maintain that helps you to become a better athlete. Never compromise that one game you did well. Don't be complacent. You have to compete with you.
Good morning, my name is Angelina and I'm from athletics. Morning, aku battling Grace Makri, di athletics. Kajing syam jangi, kajing practice jangi te kabiang hi. Syam hi kajing junjar te se tentang ila kam ayu hi. Kemita te bandage te long ka Khelo India te ka kam hi ban yo takma siar ni rupa tangba inyale hi da ka bor la jong kat bayala.
Mungkin long tim ni community begini Ialehkai bahina mabang iyo kina babiang kiba ki belong promising players bohat di community begini de in kesna belong sisna ni la participate in sisna tournament di India di sisna ni water place di community bagani tim ta community begini Ialehkai bahina in Mihkhmat.